Tonight's DJNTV show is sponsored in part by Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, ADJ, NLFX Professional, Promo Only, Numark, and DJNTV Insiders.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Stepping Up Your Game with me, your host, Rob Ferre. Now, the last couple episodes you've seen me in Las Vegas at the Mobile Bee Conference, and guess what? I'm back in Las Vegas again. This is my hotel room. I am actually here at another workshop. Yes, people ask me if Vegas is my second home. It kind of is because I love to come down here, network, go to the educational events, and I also take a workshop about once a year. Now, what's this workshop you're doing? Well, it's the bronze level of announcing the grand entrance with Ferre. Now, I love taking these workshops, and I love being able to sharpen my sword and being able to become a better performer and entertainer. These are things that I like to do annually. I like to find different workshops. I also took the PhDJ workshop with Jill Bunn and Mike Walter. It was a great experience for me. The great thing about that one, it was very business based. It really helped me with my business and helped me to grow as an entrepreneur. So there's lots of different workshops out there. You know, I've also taken Bill Herman's entertainment experience, which is a great look into the creative process. A lot of what Ferre does is performance-based to help make you a better MC. I've also taken Randy Bartlett's mic techniques, which is about performance again. I've also taken audio editing with Peter Mary. And so there's different workshops out there. Now, not everybody has the opportunity to go to these workshops. So there are things that you can do within your own market. Either you get a coach, a performance coach, or even just take an improv class. There's so many different ways that you can improve your performance and your business. So think about what you would like to do with your business or with your performance and find somebody who you want to learn from. Also, all these people offer DVDs and things like that. But I'm going to tell you this. The most important thing for me is to be here in person at Mark's workshop. It's a workshop, right? So what he does is he works with me only what I need. He can see my weaknesses and what I can improve upon. And so, for example, yesterday we were working on my announcer voice. I was talking like this the entire time, and I'm an announcer. And what Mark said, that sounds hokey and fake. And I couldn't recognize it within myself, but he recognized it. And he said, why don't you, instead of speaking with your throat, but use a natural voice, but bring it down to your chest. And speak from your chest with a more exuberant and fulfilling sound that is in your chest. So I don't know if you can hear the difference, but the thing is, I'm working on it. And this is stuff that he's helping me see within myself. A workshop can only do that for you. Something with hands-on experience. So either that be a mixing workshop, which I also need to take, that's my next thing I need to do, but performance, business, anything that can help you improve as a DJ. If you're watching this today, you've already taken the first step to becoming a better DJ. Education is the only way for you to become better, and recognizing what you need help with. Yes, we all need help with something, and if you can't recognize that, you're probably not watching this video anyway. But I think there are lots of DJs out there who want to become better, and I'm always looking at different DJs and saying, I want to be like that guy. I always admire what he is doing. So what is it you are going to be doing next? What workshop are you going to take? How are you going to sharpen that sword? How are you going to become a better performer? How are you going to become a better business? That's it for me for now with Stepping Up Your Game with Rob Ferre. We'll see you next week.